Welcome to, what is that on my boob? Ugh. Okay, there we go. Today we're making powdered sugar because I don't want to buy it at the store and I have white sugar at home and it's really easy to make if you have a blender. I have two different blenders. I have a very fancy blender for the fancy blender people, and then I have a simple blender for the simple blender people. You can use either one of them, it's gonna work. All we're using is white sugar that you can get from the grocery store. That's it, we're almost out. Some people say put some cornstarch in it to keep it from sticking. I don't do that because we use it so fast in baking and doing other baking. What else do you do with powdered sugar? I don't know. And what's the rule? You have to make sure that there's nothing wet on your blender. All right, so in goes 2 cups of white sugar. In fact, hold on. Field trip. This is what we're going to be using when it's on. I'm going to turn it to the mill function and just let it go for maybe 30 seconds to a minute. Mind your ears. Pro tip, do not immediately open this because there is powdered sugar dust up top, and if you do, you're going to inhale it. Just don't do it. So, gotta take the top off. Isn't it pretty? Now, you could mill it more if you wanted, but honestly, that's the consistency of powdered sugar that I want. You just want to make sure that there's no big clumps in it, which on the mill setting on that thing, you can get no clumps. So that's the fancy blender people way to do it. And let's bring in my other obsession, which is this one. Is a ninja blender. It can make smoothies. This sounds funny, doesn't it? In 2 cups of white sugar go on this. I don't know what setting I'm going to use yet, but we're going to figure it out together. 2 cups. Oh shit, this is about to get really messy. Right there. Alright. This isn't dirty, but it's dirty. Do you understand? Like, that's my life in the hot mess kitchen. I used it, so it's dirty, but it's technically not dirty. We have sugar. So on this one, all I have is like a crush setting and a smoothie setting and a pulp setting. So I have to be honest with you, I'm probably just gonna do the pulp setting until it looks like powdered sugar. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. 2 seconds. Is this powdered sugar yet? It's getting there, but as you can tell, it's not that light and fluffy consistency that the Breville did with the mill setting. So we're gonna have to go for a little bit longer. 30 more seconds. Maybe another 30 to 45 seconds and we should be there. The way I know is because of that flat cakey consistency down there at the bottom. That's not what sugar looks like. That's what powdered sugar looks like. So let's go for another 30 seconds. It's warm. Okay. So, yeah. Let's see what it looks like. Still kind of grainy. See, it's like, I mean, it's definitely a powder. See how that's like fluffier? Hopefully you can see that. Can you tell? Actually, that one does look fluffy. Okay. I mean, if it's not fluffy enough when we go to use it, I'll just throw it back in the blender for the Breville blender for 30 more seconds on mill setting, and then it'll be very fluffy. But we made powdered sugar. High five. What is this? We made powdered sugar. Oh, that looks so stupid. I mean, if it works, I don't really care. We're going to make powdered sugar. This is my chaos kitchen segment. Who puts this shit away? It's so dirty. I'm cleaning that. Hold on. Okay, this looks good. This is the fancy blender that only mom gets to use in the kitchen. It's very expensive. I love this blender. Man, this is the hardest part of vlogging is the stupid setup. If you have any tips, can you tell me? Because my home cooking show's not going very good. Welcome to the Hot Mess Kitchen. This is my chaos kitchen segment on how to make powdered sugar, so I don't have to buy it at the store, even though it's like $3 at the store. Why am I gonna do that? Ew, did I? Really? I cleaned the top of the blender lid because we had made salsa in it and it was pretty gross. So now